Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, you need Capcut application. If you have Capcut application, then click on the link here below in description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Use VPN if you're from India to make this work. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template and add your video or photo. After selecting your photo or video, click on Next. Now check your video. Now click on your clip and then click on Crop. From here, you can select the part from the video which you want to use, if you have a long duration video. From sound you can adjust the sound of the original clip, and from replace you can replace the video. Now click on Export, and then click on Export without watermark. Now, if you want to replace the song, go back and click on New Project. Now at the video you just exported. Select Format 9:16. Now click on Video and turn down the video volume to 0. Now delete the in part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now trim the video to the length of audio. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.